Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate your WordPress blog with Hipa using our new Hipa WordPress plugin. This integration is a game changer. It allows you to automatically refresh your blog posts, saving you time and helping you keep your content fresh and SEO optimized. Let's get started. Log in to your WordPress website dashboard. Go to your WordPress admin panel and click on Plugins in the left-hand menu. Select Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type Hipa.ai. You'll see the plugin appear in the search results. Click on Install Now. Once complete, click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. The plugin will automatically connect to Hipa. You'll be redirected to the integrations page where you'll see a confirmation that it is successfully connected. Here, you can edit the integration and choose a clear and recognizable name to distinguish it from other connections. If you have other blogs, you can connect them with Hipa on this page as well. Now that your WordPress blog is connected, you can start using Hipa to refresh your content. Start by adding the URLs of the articles you want to update. As always, select the needed change types. Hipa covers diverse areas to make your articles more valuable and SEO-friendly. Don't forget to save your changes and go ahead by clicking Analyze Blog Post and Generate Changes. Hipa will analyze your article and generate fresh, valuable content ideas. For each suggested change, it provides a clear explanation of why the update is needed, helping you understand how these new blocks improve your article. Once you've reviewed the updates, you have two options. Publish the changes immediately. Schedule the updates for a specific date. Scheduling updates makes this integration especially powerful. Instead of applying all changes at once, you can plan them to roll out gradually over weeks, months, or even longer. This steady stream of updates signals to search engines and readers that your blog is actively managed. In this case, I've published the changes immediately to demonstrate the integration in action. Let's take a look at the article. As you can see, Hipa has already refreshed the post and added the block of content we just published. And that's it. With this integration, you can effortlessly refresh your content, publish and schedule updates, all without manual work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more updates from Hipa. See you next time.